Are you tired of dealing with swollen legs, ankles, or feet that just won't go away? What if there was a simple, natural solution to help alleviate the discomfort? The answer might be as easy as drinking herbal teas. These powerful natural remedies can reduce swelling, improve circulation, and flush out excess fluids. Let's explore some of the best teas for tackling swelling. Causes of swelling. Swelling, or edema, is often caused by poor circulation, a high-sodium diet, prolonged sitting or standing, or underlying health conditions like kidney or heart problems. While diuretic medications are common, herbal teas offer a natural, side effect-free alternative to support your body's detoxification and fluid balance. Herbal teas to reduce swelling. 1. Parsley tea. Parsley acts as a natural diuretic, helping your kidneys eliminate excess fluids and toxins. To make parsley tea, steep 2 teaspoons of dried parsley in boiling water overnight. Strain, add honey and lemon, and drink twice daily for 5 to 7 days. 2. Calamus tea. Known for its anti-inflammatory and circulation-boosting properties, calamus tea also supports digestion, reducing fluid retention caused by toxins. Steep 1 teaspoon of dried calamus root in boiling water for 2 hours. Drink twice daily for up to 15 days, followed by a break. 3. Blessed thistle tea. Blessed thistle supports liver and kidney function, aiding in fluid regulation. Simmer 1 teaspoon of blessed thistle in water for 7 minutes. Strain, add honey and lemon, and drink once daily for 15 days, then take a break. 4. Pineapple peel tea. Pineapple peel is rich in bromelain, an enzyme with strong anti-inflammatory properties. Boil washed pineapple peels for 30 minutes, then add ginger, turmeric, black pepper, honey, and lemon. Drink daily for 15 days, then pause for another 15 days. These teas work best when combined with a healthy lifestyle, including regular exercise and a balanced diet. While these remedies can significantly reduce swelling, consult your doctor if you have chronic swelling or an underlying health condition. Nature offers powerful solutions for swelling, from parsley and calamus tea to blessed thistle and pineapple peel tea. These teas not only reduce swelling but also improve digestion, circulation, and overall wellness. Start incorporating them into your routine and enjoy the benefits of a lighter, healthier body.